First off, congratulations to everybody who's absolutely crushed it in the last week with Palladium. So at the start of the week, Palladium prices, they broke out 1,000 points, provided a windfall amount of profit for yourselves and for us and our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. So we actually locked in 3,000 points profit with the 1,000 point breakout in just the matter of 1 week. So of course, you know that calculation. Every one lot contract you be trading, that's $30,000 of profit. If you've also stacked into the position, that's going to bank you over $300,000 of profit within a very short period of time. Again, last week we identified to you massive opportunity to be buying Palladium all the way back down towards 870 US dollars per ounce. At the start of the week, Palladium prices had a slingshot move higher, breaking out to just under $1,000 per ounce. In fact, we've been blown away by some of the comments that we received from you and our clients at the Gold and Silver Club over the last week, some generating as much as 2 million just off the back of that trade. Again, many of you have reached out to us regarding the windfall amount of profits you've been able to book on this market. Extremely fast profits. Comes back to the point that we've been making. There's back-to-back opportunities to be had here on multiple commodities. Absolutely, you do not want to miss out to capitalize on what is coming up as we get towards the end of June now and into July. Interestingly, after the slingshot move high that we've already had on Palladium at the start of the week, where we've taken the opportunity to not be complacent but bank into strength, bank on the very fast profits, Palladium prices, they're rolling back down again, back towards $900 per ounce. So absolutely, I'm very interested at reloads at $900 per ounce or lower, ideally coming all the way back down towards the price swing lows of $850 if we get it. But again, I like Palladium for reload opportunities below $900 per ounce. Another trade that we continue to scale out of profit is crude oil. So we identified the big opportunity with you on WTI crude oil on the back of the OPEC meeting that we had just 3 weeks ago, where prices, they broke all the way back down to $72 per barrel. At the moment, we have oil consolidating just above $81 per barrel. If it breaks out a little bit higher back towards 82, we can start scaling out of 1,000 points per position from our lower entries there that were executed during the OPEC meeting. So I'm expecting this consolidation to ultimately get resolved. Then a breakout back towards the price swing highs would be ideal. Then very simply, we'll start scaling out of more profit. We still remain in over a dozen long positions on oil that we executed after the OPEC meeting, and very simply, we're looking to bank further windfall amount of profit on this market. Now, as we move over to gold and silver, still remains an absolute chop fest. As we discussed with you previously, speculators in the market, over 92% have gone long on gold, above 2,400 US dollars per ounce. If we were to retest back down towards the May swing lows, this is where a lot of those speculators, they will start to get liquidated. We've seen essentially the price consolidate and drop lower. Price consolidate and drop lower. As we get towards the end of the quarter, end of the month and halfway through the year, I'm expecting further rebalancing of portfolios and the potential for gold to have a shakeout and a washout move as we then head closer into next week, where you've got Independence Day in the USA. Typically during the public holidays next week, there can be further liquidations in the market, especially with less liquidity. This can cause exaggerated moves right in the lead up to next Friday's non-farm payroll, which could provide some massive opportunities not only on gold, but also silver and platinum if you're ready to swoop in and capitalize on lower prices. This, of course, comes back to utilizing a professional research-driven approach in the market, learning and understanding the daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly real-time data-driven cycle for each commodity. Further compound that with the capital flows in the market. This will help you massively how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This will help you hugely to get an edge. Furthermore, review the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, and then compound that with the fundamentals, the geopolitics, the macroeconomics, and then finally, of course, utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. All of this is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.